All right, welcome back to video number 2 in our one product dropshipping bootcamp. Now, I'm really excited about this video, but first, let me tell you what we covered in video number 1 if you missed it. Video number 1, we talked about signing up to Shopify. Now, again, it's very simple when it comes to your Shopify store creation. We all know how it goes. If you're not familiar, make sure you watch video number 1. We also talked about tri-funnels, and tri-funnels is very important. It's something that we're going to be heavily focusing on in this particular video. And if you haven't done so yet, tri-funnels is on sale, the first and last time only for the release of tri-funnels 2.0. It's $197 lifetime with 3 live training bonuses that you get access to. Typically, it's $49 a month or $29 a month for one site or $49 a month for unlimited sites. But right now, it's available for $197, one-time, lifetime payment, unlimited updates, everything you possibly need to make your one product stores work is available to you right now in tri-funnels. And again, all the information on that is right down below. It's for a very limited time. Once the timer hits 0 on this page, that offer is gone and you'll be having to pay monthly again. And I did it in the last video. If you had the tri-funnels $49 a month package and you decided to go ahead and use it for 3 years, it would cost you close to $2,000. However, if you decide to go ahead and get in right now, it'll cost you one payment of $197 for lifetime access. So it's in your best interest that you get access to this right now. Even if you want to use it 3-4 months from now, you can. So make sure you sign up to tri-funnels because we're going to be using it very heavily in this series, and it's definitely something you want to use if you want to make as much money as humanly possible. And lastly, we also covered our magic formula, which is our 3 pretty simple criteria when it comes to finding winning products that we can use for our one product stores. Now in this video, we're going to be covering a lot more. You're going to learn about the Silk Road. And again, it's not about drugs, so don't freak out. It's not that Silk Road. It's the Silk Road, a new application that allows you to import products and customize your actual product branding, invoicing with your logo, with your company name, all of that. And not only that, but products are cheaper prices as well. You'll see exactly how this all works, and it auto imports and automatically fulfills products for you on your store. So when you get an order in, it automatically fulfills, so you don't have to worry about virtual assistants and paying other people to fulfill your orders. It does it automatically for you with custom branding as well. Very intuitive, very useful. And again, it's going to be something that you want to use. I'll show you how to set it up. I'll also show you how to import products. I'll also show you how to set up a free theme called the Debut theme and how it works with tri-funnels. And we're also going to be building out a tri-funnel store. So without any further ado, I really want to jump right into it right now. And let's just get into all the nitty gritty. Let's do this. So here we are, we're on thesilkroad.io, and there's a link down below that I'm going to highly recommend that you use. And again, if you use this link, make sure you email us because we're going to go ahead and give you a little bonus for signing up. And I'm pretty sure that it's free. Yeah, sign up for free. They do have paid packages, but we're just going to work with the free packages right now. So what does it do exactly? Well, it imports products. Once you sell, they fulfill it for you and they ship the product out for you. And the craziest part about this is that you have the ability to get 5.5 day shipping and anywhere from 1 to 3 day processing time. So the end user, your customer, will receive their product in anywhere from 7 to 8.5 days, which is incredible because if you're using AliExpress or sites like Oberlo, it'll take roughly 12 to 20 days, if not more, for your customer to receive their products. So this really puts a kink in the Oberlo chain, and I'm going to show you how to sign up and use it and import products. So I'm going to click sign up right over here. First name, Dan Da Silva. And let me just sign up and go through all this. I'm going to click accept and click sign up over here. And right over here, it's going to ask you to link up your store. So I'm just going to grab my Shopify URL with the .myshopify.com. And again, it's very, very easy to install. It's actually one of the easiest apps to install. It works exactly like tri-funnels. All you have to do is just type in your actual domain. And I'm going to click the free package. And then once you use your actual domain right over here, you click connect. It's going to ask you to authorize the actual application. And then you're gonna click install uninstalled application. Now it's gonna install the application right onto your Shopify store. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in there and we can click next, and we're gonna actually import products. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just do car holder. So phone holder. Let's see if they have anything for phone holder. So let's just say this right over here. All right, so 360, this is pretty interesting. This right over here, product cost. I'm gonna see if they have any products that we can import rather fast. So 224, I'm gonna click add to import list, and let's just do right over here, add to import list. So I'm gonna view my import list. I'm gonna add these two particular products to the import list. Golden grasp. Okay, product type, we're gonna do collection. We'll just leave this as is. And then we're gonna just remove this product. I just wanna import this one. So description, I'm gonna have no description for now. I can edit it in the Shopify store when I need to. So variance, sale price, what do I wanna put this at? I wanna put this at $19.99. And again, if you want express shipping, which means you can get that 5.5 day shipping to your customer, you're actually gonna need to upgrade your plan. And the plan, just so you know, starts at $49 a month. Definitely something I would recommend. So golden grass charging holster, description, I'm gonna just put a slash, variance, I'm gonna go $19.99, all right? And then again, if you wanted express shipping, you'd have to check it on. Images, what we can do, let's just do this. All right, I don't wanna use that. And I guess maybe we can use that one. So I'm gonna click import to store. And now it's importing my particular products to the store. So here we go. If I go back to products right over here, you're gonna see that the product was added right over here. Golden grasp charging holster. Now, for simplicity purposes, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm going to get the description from the other product, the other golden grass product, and I'm gonna paste it right inside of the new one. Just because, again, I wanna show you how quick and easy it is. And for the record, you can go ahead and copy exactly what I have here. For those of you that get inside of TriFunnels, on our live call, I'm actually going to be giving you this template 100% for free. So you'll be able to enjoy that. So we have the slash right there. I'm gonna paste everything in, and I'm just going to click save. Now there we go. I have this new product saved. So theoretically, you should have a product already inside of your store, and then you can decide if you wanna add upsells and what kind of upsells you wanna add. And that's completely up to you. Now, what I will say is that it's time to make your store look nice. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to online store, click on online store, you see where it says themes. We're gonna click on themes, and then what we can do is we can click explore free themes. Now the free themes that you wanna use, debut, you're gonna click on debut, and you're gonna click add to theme library, and you're gonna go ahead and have it set to your particular theme library. So right over here, let me show you what my store looks like and how you can edit all of this. So all of this is completely 100% something that you can edit by going to customize. If you click customize, you'll have the ability to edit everything from A to Z on your particular page. And again, this is my layout. I just use images. I have a header, and then I have a gallery. I have testimonials, slideshow, and then Instagram. Very simple. Nothing complex whatsoever, and it looks great. This might take you 15 minutes to set up, and if you wanna add a section, you can just add in sections like this. So again, the debut theme is very, very easy to edit. Next up, what I wanna talk about is getting a logo. Now, a logo is optional. I definitely would recommend it. Now, if you want one instantly, you can use something like Render Forest. Now, let me just go ahead and type that in a little bit better. Render Forest. Now, Render Forest is pretty cool. You can click create a logo, and then let's just say golden, okay? It'll say create my logo. This is pretty simple. All right, golden, no, we can click next. You can have right over here, golden name, emblems, watercolor. Let's do emblems, okay? Click next. This is really, really easy to do as well, and you can get it for like 30 or 40 bucks, something like that. So let's just say your name was actually Golden right over here. Let's just keep going. It's gonna keep loading more. I just wanna quickly do this to show you how it works. Golden, edit and download. I'd have to sign up, I already have an account here. But you can quickly create a logo over here and you can just sign up. I think, like I said, it's like $30 or $40 and you instantly get your logos downloaded. Or what you can do is you can go on Fiverr, and here are some Fiverr gigs that I would recommend. There's one in particular that I would recommend. It's literally getting logos created for a Shopify store. So let me just click on orders again, and we'll design a Shopify logo for your store. All right, and right over here, this is it. And I would recommend using the standard package. Pretty simple. The delivery time, as you can see, is 1 day delivery. So a logo isn't that long to get created. It's actually pretty simple. So that's what we would do in order to take care of a logo. You can use Render Forest, or you can use something like Fiverr.com. Now let's quickly pivot right back to the debut theme where I showed you everything right over here. Now, keep in mind that we're gonna wanna edit these menus. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna click on that little logo, and right over here, we're gonna go to navigation, online store navigation, and you're gonna edit your main menu. Now the main menu might look completely different. So what I would do is I would actually click add menu and then just do try funnels menu. And what you can do here is you can just click save menu really quickly. And I just want to copy exactly what I had. You don't need to worry about this. This is just for my reference. Home by Golden Grasp. So I can add menu, call it home, and then it can just be the home page. Click add. The next one I can do is by, let me just quickly edit this name again. Home, apply changes. By Golden Grasp Elite. And then this one can actually be, let's just do google.com for now. Whoops. We're just gonna type in google.com. There we go. I will eventually get it, google.com. There we go, click add. All right, and then we could do shipping info. Shipping info. Let's just make sure that on my current one, pages shipping info, okay, this is exactly where it's gonna go. I'm gonna do the same thing, I'm gonna paste in that link. Again, you can create a page called shipping info and just copy mine verbatim. And then contact, and if I click on my contact page again, pages contact, there we go. Click here, contact, and then add the contact right there and click save menu. Now we have what I call our tri-funnels menu. So I'm gonna go back into theme, and then I'm gonna click on customize here. And from customize, I'm gonna edit the menus. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Inside of theme settings, let me just make sure, I have to take a look at where this is. Maybe sections, I know it's somewhere around here, yes. So sections, header, what you're gonna wanna do is where it says menu, you're gonna click change, and you're gonna click tri-funnels menu, and then you see how it says by Golden Grasp Elite or by Golden Grasp. We're just gonna keep it Elite. We're gonna click select, we're gonna click save, and now our menus have been changed, and it's that simple. That's all we needed to do. Now you're probably wondering, where did I get images like this, right? Where did I get images that fit on this particular header? Well, you can use something like Unsplash, right? So Unsplash is royalty-free images. So you can just do inside car. In my case, it would be inside car. And it would be, let's just do Uber. All right, let's take a look. So something like this would be perfect. Something even like this would be perfect. Download free, and it's downloading. And what I would do is I would click remove, I click select image, and then I would just upload this particular image right over here. Select, I don't really like how it looks on here. I mean, it doesn't look terrible, right? So let me just click alignment. Let's go bottom. Let's see. There we go. That looks a little bit better. All right, layout. That's good. That's good enough as well. And then, yeah, so, I mean, that's fine. World's strongest smartphone magnet, get yours today. That looks fine. Or I can just change it back to what I had before, which is this right here, which again, if I just go middle, that's a lot better. That's what I like to see. Actually, let's take a look at if top, yeah, we can do middle. Middle for me will work. So that's also what you can use. You can use Unsplash for your images, which again is really important. Now is the fun part. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're going to create a tri-funnels funnel, and then we're gonna go out there and then we're gonna go ahead and put that funnel into our actual website. So you're gonna see how it all comes together. So let's hit the apps and make sure you go to your tri-funnels app. All right, so now comes the fun part where we're gonna go out there and use the actual tri-funnels builder. So check this out. What we're gonna do is we're gonna head into apps and you're gonna click on tri-funnels. Now, again, I'm gonna walk you through all this. We're gonna be using the new product that I just imported. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna quickly remove this and I'm gonna click create new funnel. Now, I'm just gonna do golden grass holster. And then we're gonna start off with this product right here, the charging holster. And I'm just gonna grab the description, use the same name, and then I'm just gonna do golden grass holster. Create new funnel, it says funnel created. So right over here, I'm gonna click on edit. And when I click on edit, we're gonna be able to use the drag and drop functionality of tri-funnels to really build out and create this funnel. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just drag in a few different elements, and I'm also going to drag this in right here. So the green means if they click add to cart, they'll be taken to the 2-year extended warranty. The red means if they click no thank you. So you're gonna watch how this funnel works and what we're gonna be doing. Let me just put this right here. They click yes, they go back here. Okay, cool. So this is how the funnel will work. It's going to start off on the main product, which is the Golden Grass wireless charger. So I'm going to click Save Funnel, and then I'm going to click Preview Funnel. So it's going to go from this particular product. If they click Add to Cart, it's going to take them to the 2-year warranty. And if they click Add to Cart on the 2-year warranty, what's going to happen is they're going to be taken to the checkout. But even if they click No Thank You on the 2-year warranty, they'll still be taken to the checkout. However, if they click no thank you for the main product right over here, no thanks, I'll pass on this, it'll actually take them to this red version, kind of like a lower version, if you will. And from the red version, if they click no, it takes them back to the home page. I can have it sent to wherever I want. But if they click yes, it takes them to the 2-year warranty. So now we have them buying the red version without charging and the 2-year warranty. Now keep in mind, we have the ability to send everybody to the cart page or to a checkout page. Now, in my case, I want to send them directly to the checkout page because it increases the conversions drastically. So let's go in and just edit a few of the elements inside of our particular page. So the first thing that we would want to do is, let's just say, edit the particular logo. I'm going to add in the logo right over here. So logo. Alrighty, and let me just fix this so it's more aligned. So we have home, products, bundle, subscription, FAQ, sign in. What we can do is we can leave it to home, and then we can edit all the redirects and URLs later on. But for now, I'm just gonna leave this as is. We can edit pretty much all of the homepage menus that we want. We can make it say whatever we want. We can direct them wherever we want as well. Now you see the top right up here, it has a certain color. Now this color I will go ahead and change. So the row background color, I'm going to change it to this color right here. And let me just type this in, okay? So it matches up the brand colors, right? Because again, this is our particular brand color and I want it to pretty much be on the same branding flow, if you will, the same colors as the logo, because it just makes everything so much easier. So again, the color that I want the logo is going to be black. The sizing, there we go, padding, let's just decrease that. So 100% results guaranteed or your money back. Fair enough, that's all I want. Choose quantity. We can remove the quantity over here. We'll just show the price. And just so you know, it'll also show the compare at price. Whoops, let me just move that back down. It'll show the compare at price if we have that checked on, right? So it's pretty simple. We can have, again, sizing. Sizing is whatever we want, the padding, how far we want it from the actual spacing up above. So we can have full control over this. And the timer, what we're gonna do is going to say offer expires in, and we're gonna have it 0 days, we're gonna have 0 hours, we're gonna have 5 minutes. So 5 minutes and let's just say 37 seconds. So it's going to count down from there. And then, yeah, I mean, we could pretty much play around with this as we see fit. Guaranteed it's spelt wrong. There we go. Guaranteed safe checkout. Okay, it's good enough. Good enough to my standards. Save changes. I'm just gonna click page preview, see how it looks. Okay, guaranteed safe checkout. This item qualifies for free shipping for a limited time. Add to cart now. Okay, I like this. This is also a part of the description. This is the actual description itself. So again, I can make it as big or as small as I want. And we'll leave it at that because again, I want it as is. The features, I don't really want this here. Any questions? I could add in questions. I'm not going to. I'm going to delete this row and you're gonna see what I'm gonna be doing. Full 1 column. I'm going to be adding in Luke's reviews and the reviews will actually appear here. So let me just hard refresh this just so I can show you what the actual reviews will look like on the bottom. I think I imported reviews here. Yeah, so I imported reviews. So there's reviews right at the bottom and it's pretty simple on how that works. It's not complicated whatsoever. And let's just do size. Let's just try to decrease this as well. Let's see if this looks a little better if we decrease the size of down here. So as you can see, it's starting to shrink in. So perhaps maybe a little bit more. All right. Again, I'm just editing this page right now just to see and play around with the sizing. So the sizing looks great over here. Show more reviews. Okay, cool. So we have a bunch of reviews on this page now. It looks really, really good. A user can write a review. Awesome. So great. Now we want to edit the actual footer. And yet again, on the footer, what we can do, oops, I just completely deleted that. So let me just refresh this really quickly because I saved it before. And I'm gonna have to go back into it. I just accidentally deleted it. And obviously I'm doing this with you in front of you right here, so you're gonna be able to see that. So row background, I'm going to change that again. And here it is. All right, so the logo as well. You know what? I guess we can go ahead and just add in an image, add image, logo. All right, golden graphs. Oh, it doesn't necessarily fit because it's blending in, right? So it's not like right up here where it's white. So for now, I don't really want the logo here. But again, we can edit everything that we have here, even the payment icons down at the bottom. So again, it really is dependent on what you want to do. For simplicity purposes, I'm not going to go ahead and edit anything else on here. I can save the template, and then I'm going to call it Golden Grasp Template. Okay, I'm gonna click Let's Go. It's template saved. I'm gonna click Save Changes. Now what I can do is I'm gonna close the builder here, and this is pretty cool. I'm actually gonna go in to the other upsells that I have, and what I'm gonna do is click Load Template. And when I click Load Template right over here, so what you're gonna be able to do is click Load Template, and we'll be able to use that same exact template we just created with our colors, our logos, everything, and we'll be able to go ahead and use it on this page as well. So again, that's how we use the actual builder. But the coolest part is that we can also split test. So let's just say we want to go ahead and split test various different items or 2 different items. What's going to happen here is users will get, well, exactly what a split test does, is they'll get 50-50 shots. So let's just say you have 100 users, 50 of them will see this product, the other 50 will see this particular product if they click no. And again, you can split test as much as you want. They click yes on any of these products, they will be taken directly to the actual checkout right over here. And if they click no, again, we'll be taking them to the home page. So it's pretty simple on how this particular funnel builder works. But how exactly do we add the link to our funnels to the menu? Well, pretty simple. What we're gonna do is we're gonna click Preview Funnel, and you're gonna grab the link right at the top over here. And what you're gonna go and do is you're gonna go and click on Online Store. You're going to click on Navigation, and from Navigation, remember TriFunnels menu, what we're gonna do is buy Golden Grasp Elite, we're gonna click Edit, and then we're going to go ahead and paste in that link and click Apply Changes and click Save Menu. So now if we're on the Golden Grasp site, let me just go back to the Golden Grasp site. If I go to this site, you're gonna see Buy Golden Grasp Elite. I'm gonna click on that particular link and it's gonna take us to the actual site that we just created. And again, I have the features right over here, but I can delete that very easily. And again, you can do that. I accidentally moved it. So that's how you use TriFunnels in a nutshell and how you add the link to your page. Now, keep in mind that you can add this link to every single possible link on your page when you're actually going out there and creating the layout of your store. And that as well is fairly easy. As a matter of fact, what I'm about to go ahead and do is I'm going to walk you through adding the link to, let's just say, Get Yours Today when you're creating and modifying your theme. What you can do, just click Save Changes here, go to Online Store, go to Theme, and go to Customize. And when you're inside and customizing your theme, you'll be able to edit the link for any of the buttons that are on this particular theme that we're using. So you see where it says Get Yours Today. Get Yours Today, the button link, can go directly to, let me just grab copy link address, and it can go directly to right here. So if I click Save, all right, and I click Refresh, the Get Yours Today link will actually be taking them to the actual funnel link to start. And again, just so you know, this is where you advertise to as well. This is exactly where you're gonna be sending all your Facebook traffic to, all of your Instagram traffic to, all the traffic that comes to your site. This is exactly where you're going to be sending them, because again, this is absolutely super high converting, and you definitely want people here in order to go ahead and get the most benefit from your funnels. So next up is, how do you install your Facebook pixel or your tracking pixel to TriFunnels? Well, this is actually pretty simple as well. So we're gonna head back into apps and we're gonna head over to TriFunnels. And what we're gonna do is we're actually going to go ahead and open up that particular funnel that we were just working on. So we're gonna click Edit. And right over here, what we're gonna do is Funnel Custom Scripts. So we're gonna put scripts for head. So right over here, we can just click Get Our Pixel. Wherever you wanna go ahead and grab your pixel, we can copy this pixel. And this pixel is gonna be placed on all of your particular pages. And then I'm gonna click Save Funnel. So I'm gonna click Save and then Save Funnel again, funnel saved. And what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna refresh this and we're gonna look at this pixel code right up top on the top right-hand corner. There we go. So our pixel is fired off. And again, I also have ad blocker on, so that's why if I just click pause on all sites and click refresh, right over here, our page view data is being sent. Now again, you can have different pixels on different parts of your funnel, whatever you see fit, but this will track it all the way through. This is on every single one of your funnel pages, all the way to the checkout. As long as you have your actual pixel installed inside of your Shopify store. And to do that, you go to Online Store, you go to Preferences, and all the way at the bottom, you'll be able to have the ability to insert your actual Facebook pixel. This is where the number goes. And if somebody checks out and purchases, it'll register inside of Facebook that a purchase happened through the funnel. So that's how you set up TriFunnels. But really quickly, let me go over everything we just discussed. So we just went over creating a Shopify store. We installed TriFunnels. We also installed and imported products using the Silk Road. And again, like I just said, we imported the products from Silk Road onto our store, and then we used TriFunnels to build it, which is a very, very simple process. The links for all of that, whether it's TriFunnels, and again, TriFunnels $197 a lifetime for the first 7 days of grand opening, and then it goes back to $49 a month or $29 a month, depending on how many sites you want. So I definitely suggest going ahead and getting access to TriFunnels immediately. And then I also suggest going ahead and using the Silk Road because it gives you expedited shipping. It gives you cheaper product prices. It just allows you to go out there and have the unreal advantage over all your competition that isn't using the Silk Road and still has to use AliExpress. They have USA suppliers, they have Chinese suppliers, and just it's definitely something you want to install in your store and definitely want to have, including TriFunnels. So those two, again, and just all of it is directly linked on Shopify. That trifecta is so powerful. And then what we did was we found a place to get a logo for cheap and instantly as well, which again, you can use Render Forest or Fiverr. And we used a debut theme, which is a 100% free theme, and we edited it to our particular liking. And then what we did was we created a one product funnel that we can go ahead and run advertisements to. It's very simple, very easy to do as well. And then what we did at the very end that we just covered was we added our Facebook pixel to track. Next, we're gonna talk about the secret training all about ads and how to properly create and structure advertisements to go out there and start generating sales. And again, the whole premise of this one product store series is within 3 videos, within under 2 hours, ideally, to get you up, running, and having you go out there and make sales. That's the whole premise of this, because the faster that you make money, the better it is for me, because you see that this works. It's not just some fly-by-night gimmick, and that this is something that you can build a real business off of, and it becomes sustainable. And that's what I'm trying to show you. Aside from helping as many people as I possibly can, I wanna go out there and give you the ability to show you what's possible with this new business model that literally is like the gold rush of our era. So without any further ado, make sure at the top you take a look at video number 3 where we talk and dissect advertisements. I'm gonna show you some ads. I'm gonna talk about KPIs, so key performance indicators, on what you need to know and look at when you're running advertisements, and all the nitty gritty that goes into running successful ads when it comes down to one product stores for drop shippers. So without any further ado, make sure you're also invested in TriFunnels and you also have the Silk Road that automatically, both of those work within your Shopify store. They're 2 different platforms. Make sure you get TriFunnels, okay? That is huge because that's going to go away. The price of admission at $197 lifetime is going to go away. The Silk Road might be there. Actually, the Silk Road will be there, but it might not be at the same price. So it depends. You can still use it for free, but TriFunnels, you definitely want to get in and start using it. Please, I highly emphasize that. So again, get inside TriFunnels before it runs out. Make sure you followed everything in this video. And then in the next one, we're gonna dissect ads and how you can go out there and have high converting ads that are generating you thousands of dollars. I'll see you in the next video.